I started in anesthesia for 7 years, and then I moved to shelter medicine, and I ended up collecting too many animals there, so I couldn't do shelter medicine for very long because I just would bring them home. And so then I went to orthopedics, which helped me learn a lot about rehab and what the procedures are actually doing so I could help them better with rehab. And one of the residents at the time was interested in forming a rehab service here at the vet school, and so she and I kind of started it off from the ground floor, and it's just kind of grown into this giant service of integrative medicine. When Natalia arrived at the University of Florida Small Animal Hospital, she was a patient of integrative medicine. She is a Saluki that was actually rescued from Qatar in the Middle East. She was a street dog, and there was a rescue group in Qatar that actually works with a rescue group here in Alabama. They contacted a friend of mine that works here at the University of Florida who's very involved in Saluki rescue, and they ended up bringing Natalia down here, and we did radiographs and found out that she actually had a broken elbow and she has a bunch of shrapnel in her. By bringing her here, we kind of were able to help her rehab initially to build up some muscle and stuff before she could have surgery, because when she came, she couldn't really move her elbow. And so what we ended up doing was doing modalities and massage and trying to loosen up those muscles so she could actually use them, so when she had surgery, it was a usable leg. I guess what moves me most about Natalia is if a person had gone through everything that she had gone through, I believe that they would be nowhere near as happy as Natalia is right now, and I think it just goes to the resilience of animals, and they can go through all these things and still be happy and still trust people, and I think that that's the most important thing that we can learn from animals.
We're all working together to create a better life for animals everywhere. Share your story now and inspire the entire veterinary community at navc.com/move.